How to update Samsung Smart TV. First of all, you're going to want to get your controller, your remote, whether that's the Universal remote or the Samsung Smart TV remote, then press the home button in the middle like so. Then you'll want to scroll to the left by pressing the left arrow a few times until you get to the settings menu, then just click on enter there. Once you're in settings, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down until you get to the section where it says support. Go to the right hand side using the right arrow, click software update, click enter on that, then click on update now. You can also click on auto update if you want this to be continued, but for now you want to click on update now. And then once you click on update now, it should take a few seconds or potentially a few minutes depending on your connection, etc. But then it will say there, if you have the latest version, it will tell you. If not, it will say that the update has been finished. Either which way, leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.